Stop scrolling for a second. If one of these case files felt personal, that was not random. The time trap, working harder but not getting freer. The identity trap, spending to look okay while your future waits. The comfort trap, choosing safety so long it starts costing you progress. The knowledge trap, learning more but still not moving. The relationship trap, calling it love while money quietly leaks from the plan. The escape trap, chasing the one big break instead of building the system. That was the Wealth Autopsy. 6 case files, 6 patterns, 6 ways your money, time, confidence, and future can get drained without you noticing. But here is the uncomfortable part. Knowing the trap does not free you from it. You can understand the pattern and still repeat it next payday. You can save the quote and still avoid the bank balance. You can watch the full video and still make the same decision next month. That is why the next phase matters. Because motivation will not save you. Pressure comes back. Stress comes back. Old habits come back. And if you do not build a system, the trap rebuilds itself. So now we stop only naming the problem. Now we build the fix. Payday systems, spending boundaries, asset building habits, money conversations, decision filters, a real financial operating system. The free Wealth Autopsy Fix Kit is now available. 6 tools, 1 for each trap. Start with the one that felt a little too personal. Audit the pattern, face the evidence, build the system. The autopsy is complete. Now we build.